Louder your voice, okay? What's your name?
My name is
Phung Anh. And what is your English name? Elsa? Anna. Anna, how old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
7 years old. And how are you today?
Happy.
Are you hungry? No, I'm not. Thirsty?
No.
Very good. Are you ready for the speaking test?
Yes.
Okay, speak loudly, okay?
Yes.
Alright. Put your hands on the table nicely. Okay. It's okay, dear. Let's start and the teacher D will ask and you will answer, okay? What are you doing? Anna, what are you doing?
I'm watching TV.
Great. Next, what are you doing, Anna?
I'm painting.
I'm painting. Now you have to read and answer, okay? Read. What?
What are you doing? I'm coloring.
Great. Next.
What are you doing? I'm reading.
Perfect. Next here. Do you have what's this?
Pen.
Great job. Do you have
Baseball.
okay, next, do you have a
Soccer ball.
soccer ball? Great. Do you have a racket? Ah, I said the word. Do you have a
Jacket.
racket? Do you have a racket? Yes, I do, or no, I don't?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. Next, how many, what's this?
One.
Oh, how many, what's this? Stay?
Stapler.
Okay, how many staplers do you have? I have.
I have one zipper.
Okay, next, how many, what's this? What's this?
Eraser.
Erasers. How many erasers do you have, Anna?
I have 4 erasers.
Really? 4 erasers? Okay, do not look at this, okay? Here, how many, what are these? Color?
Coloring.
Color pen?
Pencil.
Oh, how many color pencils do you have in your bag?
I have
How many colors?
12
12? Say 12.
12
12 color
color
pencils.
pencils.
Okay, great. Here, how many, what's this? How many rulers? So how many rulers do you have in your bag?
I have 5.
5? Many rulers. What's this? I have,
I have 5 rulers.
say the word 5.
5.
Okay, great job. Next here, let's move on to phonics. You have to say the beginning sound of this picture. What's this? What?
What?
Okay, faster. What's this?
Question.
Next.
Actress.
Next.
Rabbit.
Great. Next.
Onion.
Yes, correct.
Kangaroo.
Correct. Next.
Hamster.
Correct. Next.
Yes.
Yes. Next.
Box.
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 Next.
Elephant.
Very good, Elsa. You did well. Now let's move on to the last part. You have to read this and say the word.
Draw a half circle.
Again, half.
Half.
Draw a half circle.
Draw a half circle.
Okay, now can you point? Where is it? Where is it? Draw a half circle. Come on. There you go. Next.
Mouse and ball.
Very good. Where is it? Can you point? Very good. Next.
Soup and
Good job reading. Very good reading. Where is it? Okay, last one.
brush your teeth.
Very good. Brush your teeth. Where is it? Come on down. There you go. Very good. All are correct. Good job. Say goodbye to teacher. Thank you, teacher. See you again, Anna.